rating my new fidgets. Make sure you're subscribed, like, and turn on all the notifications and hit that bell. I don't know if that's the same. Okay, so first off, hold on, don't look. So first off is my puppet. So I love it. I love it. I just love it. It's really easy on both sides, so I rate this a 10 out of 10. I love it. Okay, next. Next is my Simple Dimple. I like it. It's my first ever Simple Dimple, and my brother always snatches it from me, so my brother definitely loves it. So yeah, love it. Definitely a 10. I forgot, I said I'm rating, and this one is, I made this one out of kinetic sand. It is so nice. My brother loves it too. I gave him one. So I rate this a 10. All my new fidgets I rated a 10. Because I love my fidgets. Make sure you subscribe. Bye! Yeah!